seconds. So this is different, but one which you are supposed to attach is different, that you are going to attach with the uniform every day. It's compulsory. Each and everything. Napkin, lunchbox, bag, everything. Each and everything. So then one of the important thing is that from now onwards you can't enter the gate. If you want to ask us, message us, we will reply. Call us. You want to meet us, we can meet only on Saturdays. You can meet even on Saturday. So I can't tell you every day that what the child has done, like the way it has happened. So this is something new for the parents who have already enrolled. So please bear with us. This is mandatory because we have to use the gross motor area. This is for kids. It's not for parents. We can't allow you child in time. You give us the time slot. Suppose the timings are 9 to 11, you are coming between 11 to 11:05. Give us the time slot in a sequence, we will keep the child ready. We won't make you wait. You can't come inside, means you can't come inside. Then we have to be little strict in this. Diapers for the new kid, after that diapers are not allowed. The uniform should be proper. Sometimes the t-shirt is tucked out. The meaning of you can clean. No hair only napkin would be attached. No toys would be allowed. She can't talk. And if you have any confusion, any doubt, I am there. Manisha ma'am is there. Poonam ma'am is there. Only these. If you ask anybody, they won't know anything. There will be a confusion. Then you only during PFM. PFM schedule is already made. There is PFM, in 2 months there is one PFM. That schedule is already made, so you can plan your holidays, you can plan your everything according to that. Diwali vacation is already planned. We have given you already the messages have been sent. Christmas break, Diwali break, everything. So you can plan your day according to. There won't be, we have not kept any need that you have to. Late entries won't be allowed. I am very cooperative. I am very supportive to the mothers who are sending the kids for the first time. We are there to sympathize with you. I will send you. I am not supportive. I am not supportive and I will never be supportive of that. Don't come along in the field they are there to take the job. 9-5 maximum. This year, every month on 15th, there will be birthday celebration of all the kids who are born in that month. I again insist, don't go for dates and all this. Take the child to orphanage, celebrate it there. But if you insist, you want to distribute, you can distribute on 15th of every month. Suppose there are some child. Last year, we have introduced a thing called Mother Child. Especially, so we do understand what you need. Right now we are beginning the school. You will need a settlers program. Please with separation inside. For the second properly trained, they will be trained again with me. I will be there with them always till the time they are settled. But still, kids will cry. Some kids will not cry on the first day. Some kids will cry till 1 month. I have seen kids crying for 2 months. But still they are okay. Don't worry. Even if they cry, supervision closed for first month. Also DR, in DR we have Poonam ma'am, you all know her. Poonam ma'am, Manisha ma'am. So for entire year, Poonam ma'am will be in charge of DR. Manisha ma'am will be supervisor for EW. Pooja ma'am is thumbs up, thumbs up. What a glorious time. Thumbs up, hands back, It will fulfill his hunger. So he started to jump. Jump everyone, jump, 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 jump. But he could not reach that. Could not reach that. So again sat down and started thinking. He took a deep breath. Took a deep breath. Took a deep breath in my face. And then he again started stand up and stood on his toes and jumped again. Jump, jump, jump. But he still could not reach that. So finally he left the place and thought the waves were soft and he turned up his nose and started walking again.
Like elaichi powder or ginger powder, somewhat like that.
Basic activities like buttoning, lacing, zipping. So this is through quotes. Dear. So you tying the lace, it's cognitive, fine motor. This is made every per class different story. So you can see that much effort is goes. So apart from this, there are puppet.
She wished that she was black at night. She celebrated breakfast or something. She drank grape juice and turned back for her little.
This is more approachable for kids. Ascending order, descending order. Colors. पहले ये सब करेगा. उसको हम force भी नहीं करेंगे. Facility, please inform us with number and everything. We don't have. If anybody says you it's from this it's not from this. We don't have any trans. 11:30 to 1. Sorry?
That's what the nuts do.
This is just one. Sorry. As you all know, all our events and all our days have some cause attached to it. So even on Founders Day, she's a motivational speaker. She doesn't need my motivation, but still to encourage her, we have given her platform to share this stage with her. Over to you, Rajaji.
Good morning, all of you. Hindi, English or Gujarati? Three language I know. Which are comfortable? कुछ एक दूसरे के साथ बातें कर रहे थे अंदर.
That is my drawback. I'm not comfortable in it.
But मुझे तीनों आती है इसलिए मैंने पूछा. Oh, I am a patient of. I don't call it disability. This is my advantage. That's why I am here today. But पहले ही मैं बोल देती हूँ मैं बहुत सारे लेक्चर ले चुकी हूँ पर शायद मुझसे कुछ गलती हो सकती है क्योंकि आई एम नॉट अ पेरेंट एंड मुझे आप लोगों से बहुत कुछ सीखना बाकी है. ये सब्जेक्ट में आई एम अ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर. मैं कैरियर पे लेती हूँ, मैं लीडरशिप पे लेती हूँ, हाउ टू चूज एप्टीट्यूड. उस पर मैं फाउंडेशन के और पे और से बेस्ट ऑथर ऑफ द ईयर इंडिया 2017 और अभी 3 दिन पहले मुझे अवार्ड मिला बेस्ट वोकेशनल अवार्ड रोटरी क्लब ऑफ सिटी गुजरात की ओर.
My name is Simran Shetya, mother of Vanya Shetya, student of Little Minimum. Okay, so how you heard today's orientation? Today's orientation was too good. It was worth listening. Miss Monica Vaswani just made it too good. And about Little Millennium, I just like to keep it short and sweet. I'm proud of my decision that I chose Little Millennium format.
What is your preview, madam?
I'm quite happy with this school. Myra will now start DR, that is playgroup. It is very satisfying. Monica ma'am makes us very comfortable and they take proper care of our kids.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please tell us your names.
Yeah, myself Ashwani Chungani. I'm father of Anshuman, who has is enrolled for nursery. Emerging. So this orientation program, it is a good thing. Basically, it is good to know the school also, know the different parents. Basically, the kids which are here actually also, and all what activities school is going to do. So it's a good thing actually. So it is quite informative. And apart from that, we are also expecting certain knowledge from schools, like what exactly they are going to teach our children, in what kind of manner and what kind of teachers are there, what training they have received. So all in all, it is a good thing.
Okay, आपका नाम?
myself Deepak Kedia
हिंदी में बात।
सर मेरा नाम दीपक केडिया है और मैंने पहला बैच टाइप मीटिंग अटेंड किया। काफ़ी अच्छा है आपका प्रोग्राम और इसमें क्या है कि पहले पूरे दूसरे को जानने का मौका मिलता है और दूसरे बच्चों के बारे में इसमें जानने का मौका मिलता है, कौन क्या कर रहे हैं और बढ़िया।
Thank you very much.
This is Malay Mehta, father of Purva, and she is now promoted to RTF1, and we enjoyed last year with the class emerging wing class, and teachers were very much supportive, very much helpful. They understood my child very nicely, and they were also making her learn the way I wanted, because every child has a unique style of learning, and this is what I wanted to make sure in my school teachers, in my daughter's school teachers, to understand that. And like Poonam ma'am and Monica ma'am, Manisha ma'am, everybody helped us a lot in understanding every child over here, and it has been a fantastic experience with them. So plus the big plus for this school is the way these people conduct their different activities and the different nature of activities to make children learn the things, and this has helped a lot in bringing certain skills out of our child, and this has helped us a lot. So thank you for everything, Little Millennium. We are very happy to be associated with that. Thank you.
Thank you so much.